Okay, now this is 6 day 3. We're talking about compositions again, except this time when we do compositions, we are going to plug in a number this time. So just like before, everything here means we're going to substitute that number in for our variable. Okay? But again, what this will tell you at first, G composition F, that means you're going to take F and you're going to put it into G. Okay? So we're going to take this expression, put it in for that N. F into G. So it's going to be 4 times parentheses N squared minus 1, that goes in for N, and minus 5. And what we're going to do, we're going to simplify this as much as we possibly can. So we're going to distribute. So this is going to be 4n squared minus 4, and then minus 5. And then we're going to combine our like terms, 4n squared and minus 9. Okay, so now what this tells me now is I'm going to take this negative 7, and I'm going to put it in for that n. So it's going to be 4 times negative 7 squared minus 9. Okay, and I'm going to get all numerical answers on these problems. So negative 7 squared is 49, so it's 4 times 49. And 4 times 49 is 196. And then we're going to subtract 9 from that, so we get 187. Again, notice when there's a number in here for the variable, we end up with just a number answer. Okay, so this is about substitution, combining like terms and then substituting in a number again. All right, so let's take a look here at the second example. This time, I want to find G of F of 2. Okay, so again, we're going to take F, plug it into G. Okay, F, plug it into G. Now, so I'm going to take this right here, F, plug it into every N that we have. So this is going to be negative 3 times the quantity, N minus 2, quantity squared, minus 4 times N minus 2. Okay, now, you could FOIL all this, you could distribute all this. One of the things you'll notice I did on this problem, I went ahead and distributed the 4 and then combined my like terms. If I wanted to, I could have put the negative 7 in right here and then solved it. And so what I'm going to do here now is, instead of trying to factor all that and I'm going to just plug this guy in. So I'm going to plug in 2 for the n's right here. So this is going to be negative 3 times 2 minus 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 2. And now I do order of operations. So this is going to be negative 3 times 0 squared minus 4 times 0. I did what was in the parentheses. Now, exponent, 0 squared. Well, that's negative 3 times 0, because 0 squared is 0. Minus 4 times 0 is 0. Wait, what's negative 3 times 0? Well, that's 0 as well. And minus 0 becomes 0 happens to be the answer. Okay, so instead of doing FOIL or distributing or things like that, what I would do if I were you is I would just plug in, as soon as you take the function f, put it into G, then plug in that number and simplify it from there. Okay, so you should be able to now complete your 6 day 3. This is the second page of the examples on your class Kick.